Viewers, this video is about Zingerman's community of businesses. A recipe for building a positive business case solution and analysis. Over time, Zingerman's community of companies (ZCOB) has consistently won accolades and awards, including being named the most amazing small business in America by Inc. in 2003 for its food service mail order catalog, training, and complete success. This instance reveals how Zingerman's went from one delicatessen in 1982 to 9 unique but complementary businesses with combined sales of $45 million in 2012. It details the new approaches ZCOB uses to create a great area to eat and work, and touches on the challenges it confronts moving forward. This case could be utilized in conjunction with Zingerman's and a new business development. Broad-based ownership, government, and sustainability. This is just a sample partial work. Please place the order on the website to get your own originally done case solution. Thanks for watching this video.